Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised to the hamburger stand now. See, she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with her radio blasting goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Well, the girls can't stand her cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace now. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race now. A lot of guys trying to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away.
Well, she's making a turn and it looks like she's coming around now. And I'm a little concerned cause the town is closing on down now. Well, I'll jump in a bird for some good time getting around now. And we'll have
fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away.
sicher.
Du musst springen. Warte, springen an.
Gerade raus fast. Schrei. Also kommen auch.
Jetzt?
Oh, nur warm da rein. Also.
Jetzt ist es recht flüssig.
Also, gehen wir mal runter, ist gut. Bis nachher. Da ist sie gut heben.